Welcome back, students, and today we're going to be talking about Gaggle and email. Once you log into your computer today, go to our website, go all the way to the very bottom of this screen, and you will see the link for Gaggle. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll take you to the login screen where you can log in using your user ID and your safe password. Once into Gaggle, you will note that there are two places to access your email. One is by clicking on the link here for Inbox, and you'll notice that it'll give you a list of all your emails. It's a good idea to check your emails from time to time just so that they don't build up like mine have. Another place to go is if you click on the Mail tab over here at the top. This will show you all of your files, and we'll be talking about how to get in and take care of those files. But today we want to talk about email. Now, email is one of the more formal ways of communicating. Remember when you were in the first or second grade and you learned how to write a note, and it included a greeting, and it included several well-crafted sentences, a salutation, and your signature? Well, that's kind of like what an email needs to include. Let's get started here. Underneath here, you'll see that there are tabs to check your email. This refreshes your screen. And then Compose. That's what we want to click on right now. When you go in here, you're going to first type in the To area. This is who your email is going to. And the cool thing about Gaggle is that you don't necessarily need to know your friend or your teacher's email address to know how to get access to them to email them. You simply enter in their first name or their last name, like their last name Moore, and you can see all of the people who have a last name of Moore. Or if I were to put in a first name, again you can see all the people who have a first name of Moore. So you can go ahead and select from those lists, and it makes it so much easier to communicate with those people. CC, this is a box that basically says I want to copy a friend or a teacher in on an email that I'm sending to someone else. A subject, always make sure that you put in a subject so that we know what the email is about. You can change the font size, and make all these additions to your email, and then you can start. Now remember, you need a greeting, so Dear Mrs. Moore. Several well-crafted sentences. I hope your day is great. I hope everything in the lab is going well. Don't you think Gaggle is a great tool? And then you're going to want a salutation and a signature. But wait a minute, I want to make sure that I check my grammar and my spelling just to make sure everything is right before I hit the send key. And I notice that there's an underline here, which means I need to make some corrections here. Going well, don't you think Gaggle is a great tool? Well, I think that everything looks great, so if I've done my check and my recheck, I'm then going to hit the send key. And away it goes. Well, when you're finished with your email and you're finished being on Gaggle, always make sure that you log out of your account before exiting your browser. This makes sure that your account is closed. So we're going to log out. That's it. That's all. I hope this was helpful for you all to email. Maybe you'll email me from time to time. Who knows? But anyway, have a great Coltrane Web STEM Magnet School kind of day.